Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, so Joe. Good morning, guys. What's up? What's up? This is your village boy, Cloud Joseph. It's a fine morning over here, guys. I'm coming live from my village right here, guys. This is my village right there. Has a beautiful compound. This is my house. Wow, my beautiful mud house, guys. Yeah. So it's a fine morning here, guys. Kindly, if it's your very first time here, guys, kindly consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. It's a fine morning, guys, and right there, wow, is my grandma's house. Okay, so like guys, my grandma was just away for a while, for around 2 weeks. So today I just decided, like, man, I want to help my grandma to clean her house. So it's a very special video, guys, to me, and also to you, if you want to inspire you, maybe. Yeah, so thank you so much for always being on my channel, guys, for my channel subscribers. Thank you, I really appreciate your support, guys. So stay with me, guys. I'm going to help my grandma right there clean her house, take out her beddings, yeah, and arrange her house to gonna be looking good. Yeah, so stay with me, guys. Let me go there and show you how everything is. Bye bye. I've already taken out her beddings, like these one. These are miters for the bed, and right here is the mattress. So right here she is. Say hello, go. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, so she's my grandma, guys. I'm helping her to take out the beddings, whatever, so that I wanna clean her house. You can see how it is, guys. Right here, you can tell. Wow. Yeah, it's kinda in a mess, though she was not around. Yeah, it's kinda in a mess. These herb seeds right here. Yeah, and right here is where a hen lays eggs from. Yeah, so I want to clean up her house, and you can tell right here. Wow. Yeah, I want to take out her beddings, take out everything, then I want to clean this house, mop it, then she wanna look amazing. Yeah, so yeah, so this is it, guys. So stay with me as I take out these her belongings from this house, then clean it. Oh, and I can see there's a mask right there. Oh, my granny, man. Hey, so right here, the funny thing is, in the bedroom it is cemented, but out here just a slab. But I wanna repair it as soon as possible, God willing. I wanna repair it very well. You can tell, guys. Right here it is cemented, but right here not cemented. Oh, yeah. So right there, she's my grandma. She's sitting. She's looking at me. How I'm doing this work. I hope she's happy. So happy about what I'm doing as a grandchild to her. So guys, stay with me. Let me check out everything here and show you how everything is. Bye bye. So you can see, guys, how it is. So this is the kind of brooms that I'm going to use to sweep this room. Yeah, so After sweeping this room, also I'll sweep this. And the fact is, this is cemented. I'll just sweep, then mop it. Here I'll just sweep, then water it. I just pour a lot of water here. Yeah, so this is how basically everything is. Yeah, I know my grandma will just be as happy as an angel. So let me sweep. Yeah, so guys, stay with me. The room is very free right here, so nothing is inside here. Wow, this is the switch, no, the socket, though the electricity has not yet reached this place of ours here. So guys, I'm going to clean up these walls. Even up here, there's some of the what you call like some webs, yeah, spider webs. Then after that, yeah, so first let me open up these windows. I do aeration. I'm doing what you call aeration first. Wow, open those windows that way. So yeah, you can tell guys, the room is now free. So this is the bedroom of my grandma. So yeah, I want to sweep it, then mop it. Yeah, so yes guys, give a video a like for your village boy. Yeah, so stay tuned guys, be with me as I do some thorough cleaning of this room, of my grandma's room. Yeah, let's make the sweeping. I'm starting from this corner right here. I want it to be as clean as ever before, guys. Yes guys, so I've already swept the bedroom and I hope it's as clean as never before. So let me show you, I've already swept the bedroom. So right here, wow, you can tell I've swept this bedroom. This is first sweeping. So I want to do what we call like now water it. Then after this I want to be mopping it. So guys, with this room I'll have to water it first before sweeping, because this is unlike the other one, the bedroom. Yeah, because the bedroom is cemented, but this one, it was just like they poured concrete, but they never like do what they cemented it, so it's very dusty. So the thing is, I'll have to sprinkle some water first to this room, then sweep it, because I've already fetched some water here. So yeah, this is water here, so I'm going to sprinkle water, then after that I'm going to sweep it. So stay tuned guys. Yeah, so let me show you how we do it. So I think this is enough. So after this, wow, here it has just started smelling that what you call like dusty. So the thing is guys, the water is enough. Like I want to do what we call like first, as it's this way, I want to mop the other room, then come to this side, as the water goes down. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. So guys, I just had this. This is a washing powder. This is a washing powder. So right here I have water and a duster. So this is the duster. So I want to sprinkle a little of water, a little of what you call like powder inside here. So after this, I want to be showing you how it is. So this is it, guys. Yeah. So the hand washing powder, guys. Yeah. So yeah. So this is it, guys. So that's gonna have even a fresh air. I think that's enough. So this is how you do it, guys. Let me show you. Oh, you see? Yeah, so after this, I want to be doing what we call like mopping this house. So guys, we are starting to mop this. Yeah, so yes, guys, so I've already finished sweeping this, not sweeping and mopping this room. Yeah, so you can see it how it is, guys, as clean as never before. You can tell right here, everything. Yeah, so that's the first step of sweeping and mopping this room. So I'm going to the next room, which is the living room right there. Then I want to be finishing and yeah, show you how everything is, guys. So guys, I want to do sweeping of this living room over here. So let me show you how it is, guys. So also I have some rooms right here. So I want to do what we call like sweeping of this living room, then water it, then arrange some furniture inside here, guys. Yeah, so smash that like button for a village boy and share it with your friend, guys. And leave a sweet comment down below if such works are being done by boys at your villages or at your hometowns, guys. Yeah, so let's start sweeping. You can tell there's no dust anymore because I just watered the house before sweeping. That's like to cool down the dust. Yeah. Yes, guys, so I've just finished sweeping this room, as you can see right here. Yes, you can have finished sweeping, so you can tell the what you call like how clean is this bedroom inside here. You can tell, guys. Yeah, so I've already finished this over here, and yeah, so the thing is I want to leave it to dry, and also come and arrange some furnitures inside here. Yeah, so kindly guys, if it's your very first time here, guys, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Smash that like button for your village people, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? Kindly smash those red words written subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. In any case of an upload coming from Claude Joseph, you'll be the first one to know that Claude Joseph has just uploaded a new video. Yeah, so guys, you can see how clean this house is. Yeah, so rate my work, guys. Yeah, until this side. So I decided to change her a bed because the one which was here, it was not in a good condition. So I decided to give her this kind of bed. It's a metal bed, yeah, but it has some timber miters. Yeah, so this is it, guys. So I'm arranging the beddings right here. So yes, guys, I'm trying to arrange. Boy child, wow, but the house looks clean as never before. Yeah, so guys, I just arranged her room. You can tell now, like, yeah, it's much better right here. Let's go to the bedroom. You can tell, guys. Yeah, I just arranged her clothes right there, her shoes. And like this, how I spread the bed to her, so it looks now good and much presentable. So thank you so much, guys. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, so the only thing is, like, I wanna put that mosquito net. So my grandma is here, guys, and she's so happy. You can tell even from these sticks right here, guys. Like, I just took them out, and like the house looks as clean as never before. So umefurahia sana?
Nafurahia sana sana sana.
Unaweza ambia nini watu? Ambia subscribe for your boy.
Subscribe
for your boy.
with the boy.
For your boy.
For the boy.
Yeah, thank you so much, subscribers.
Thank you pretty much.
Subscribers. Yes. I don't laugh. Okay. Si laugh. I don't laugh.
I don't laugh.
Yeah. So, guys, this is my grandma, and she's so happy. And actually, we are sitting on the stairs to a house in which I want to be showing you how clean it is. Yes. So this is it, and man, maybe if it's your very first time on this channel, guys, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Thank you so much for being on my channel, and if it's your very first time, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. In any case of an upload from Claude Joseph, you'll be the first one to know that Claude Joseph has just uploaded a new video. Say subscribe.
Say good.
Yeah, so tell them amigo.
Amigo.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes.